Welcome this video. Build a wood shed for scratch in an excellent project that enhance property wide up provide a process space to store fire wood tool or gardening spot. This gas well track you through the step need to plan design and construction. A simple shed we cover the material tool and tranquil quest to build a stood and functional step plan and progress before jump in construction is choosing to plan your wood shed careful plan well save your time money and effect in the long run determinant the shade save and location first depend on the first of the shade. This will depend on how much wood you need to store and the available should space in your yard. We explored if you are only stone firewood for personal use, a smart shade with determinant of area forfeit by 8 foot in if you are plan to stone store more wood or tool or a long shed may need. Next choice a location that due and level well plan your shed in area towards to water pool as movement creation wood to root make sub the shed impossibility for easy access to your fire wood in water then part away mean to get by salt choose location build code and premo before your being construction choose with by locate build depend to see if you need premo Some multinationals have them to own the shape and locate of outbuild such with an return the high footprints and promax to promoland choose the design. Woodshed come in various of design for simple line tool to more afford and close century with multi-slug a base open shade is perfect for stone fire pick us if allow air entry with multi-select a base open side shade is perfect for stone fire wood as if allow area traction to help the wood if you want excellent product for the element or need for space to stone tall. Consider a design with valve and a roof. Step 2. Gathering material and tool. One your plan of the size and design of your shed. Gather allow material. You can allow pro cut lamp or cut if yourself if you have the right tool. Step 3. Build the fun train. The fun train is choosing for the longer of your wood step. A well built fun train escape the century of the group growing role and determinant escape fun train. Escape fun train is the simplest other for a wood escape if innovation long demo on the group or of and growing bed that sleep well supported for font on the shed level the group beyond by level the group where the shade well escape clean away gardening root and other depend growing bed the layout of growing about then to provide demo product the sleep for functional post of bring fun train a more Sleep Fontaine Innovation set post into the group watch is growing useful for large shade or if the group in every under ever set the post. Place the 4 by 4 post into a fridge cottage and long the side. This hob should be about 2 feet deep. Set the place from the fountain. With the fountain in place, it's time of frame the flow of the shade. Step 5. Build a wall. If your shade will have wall, the next step is to frame theme on one open shade for fire would mean only request side wall bar spotted wall of fully closed side shade need complement wall. Frame the wall. Cut 2 by 4 lamp for the wall. Touch wall, wall frame beneath or clip the side to top and button main entrance. Install the wall frame. Reach even wall frame for those if to the found objective wall use a lamp level everything is spot. Add bring if your shade is long for have one side consider a demo to explode shade the wall for is close attached plywood set to the wall frame if well shade wall frame and install the roof. The roof is the explored part to your woodshed product. The cut for rain and should you have built a simple sport roof or a more complete roof depend on your process. Determine the roof pick depend on the pick of your roof. A step pick allow and rain to run off easy. Cut the rough cut use from depend on the size of the shed, a clumped roof size 14-inch on climax. Install the roof, attach the roof to your top peak to wall, then every space add roof material. Run the roof and in place cover them with wood or OSB shade. Next install your roof material such as metal roof. Add door and finish tool. If your shed have enclosed valve you like when to add a door for easy access. A simple head door made for plywood or hand edge door can work well. Build or install the door